True Life. We do care.
Hi everyone, I'm Nora, and today I'm going to introduce the True Life Hairdryer D9, a premium hairdryer that provides truly professional care to your hair. This hairdryer has an ionizer that produces up to 200 million negative ions for faster drying and healthier hair. With 5 different drying modes, including a special children's mode, you can customize your experience to meet your hair's needs. See how easy it is to change temperature levels and speeds. We have cold, warm, and hot air, plus the choice between normal and high speed. With these 2 magnetic attachments, you can easily focus on one area of your hair or add volume to the hairstyle. This concentrator nozzle is good for targeting a specific area of your hair, while the diffuser is good for adding volume because it separates the hair and lifts it at the roots. Thanks to the True Life constant heat technology, this hairdryer maintains a constant temperature, preventing hair damage. We have modes for constant temperature, variable temperature, long hair, short hair, and kids, as their hair needs special care with a lower temperature and speed. Plus, the magnetic dust filter makes maintenance super easy by catching every bit of dirt and dust. The True Life Hairdryer D9 is the perfect companion for anyone who wants the best for their hair, whether at home or on the go. Its quiet operation and safety features make it ideal for everyday use.
True Life. We do care.